Let me bring you up to speed on what's been happening with MicroStrategy's stock, particularly with its insiders. Over the past 90 days, executives inside MicroStrategy have offloaded more than $40 million worth of MSTR shares. That's right. Over the course of 3 months, there's been an average of more than one insider sale per business day, and when you look at the numbers, these sales have outnumbered purchases by a 10-to-1 margin. It's a significant gap that's catching the eye of market watchers and analysts alike. Now, let's get into some context. These weren't just small offloads or incidental sales. We're talking about transactions involving key people at the company, the vice president, the CFO, and members of the board, just to name a few. Many of these sales occurred when MSTR stock was trading above $400 a share, which is well above its current level. Clearly, they were cashing in while the stock was hot. Some of these transactions were marked as planned sales on SEC Form 4. That means they were part of stock option or deferred compensation plans, something that's fairly common in corporate America. But several other sales weren't part of those plans and appeared to be straightforward, voluntary sales. Interestingly, a number of those coincided with a recent price rally that briefly lifted MSTR above the $400 mark again. It's worth noting, though, that while these sales might raise eyebrows, they only represent a small fraction of the total insider holdings. Take Michael Saylor, for example, MicroStrategy's founder and executive chairman. He still controls 19.6 million Class B shares and 382,000 Class A shares, which equates to about 8% of the company's equity. On top of that, he personally owns over 17,700 bitcoins, according to his latest statements. So what does this all mean? Insider selling doesn't always equate to a lack of confidence. Often, it's just executives exercising their right to cash in part of their compensation. It could be for tax planning, personal expenses, or any number of reasons. But the timing and scale of the recent activity at MicroStrategy are hard to ignore, especially when paired with high market volatility and ongoing scrutiny of the company's Bitcoin-heavy strategy. If you're a trader or investor watching MSTR, this kind of insider activity might not be a red flag, but it's definitely a signal worth paying attention to. Whether it's just smart financial planning by executives or a subtle indicator of caution inside the company, it's one more piece of the puzzle when you're trying to understand the true health and trajectory of MicroStrategy. Stay subscribed for more videos.